Playing catch with Aiden. Ready? Good job. Are we working on your left hand right now?
Yeah.
You're just working that one out. It's kind of silent in here though. Are you up late?
No.
Is it past your bedtime?
No.
Don't tell mommy. Whoa. Big throw. Whoa, that one was a bullet. Barely got that one. Oh no! Daddy's one took out his own TV. Daddy's not left-handed. Bomb! Oh, I missed again. I was doing good right-handed. Whoa, that one was coming in hot. Coming in hot. We're playing catch. Yep. Whoa. Back up a little. There you go. Good one. Oh, jeez. You gotta move your thing a little bit sometimes. Well, it's hard to play catch if you're sitting right beside me. Alright, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.